Hi dear, last class we have seen the electric current. Today we will see what is electric circuit. Okay, electric circuit, it is nothing but a circuit in which electric components are connected, right? So we will usually draw the circuit diagram. Okay, the circuit diagrams will contain the components of the electric circuit, that circuit components. Either it may be drawn with the conventional symbol, or some of the parts of the figure component may be shown. Okay, so that is your circuit diagram, schematic diagram of the electric circuit. Okay, so we have two types of circuits here, open circuit and closed circuit. Okay, the circuit, this is a simple schematic diagram of an open circuit. Open circuit, you have this cell and your bulb is connected and an ammeter is connected. This is the plug-in. Okay, and here the closed circuit is same cell, bulb is connected, ammeter is connected, plug-in. Okay, that means what? Here the open circuit means there is no current flowing. Okay, that means you didn't switch on this circuit. Okay, the switch is off. Okay, off because the switch plays the main role in plays a role as a connecting link. Okay, connecting link between the cell and the bulb. Okay, once you switch on or plug in, you can say it is a plug key or a switch. Okay, when it is on, then only the current will flow, the charges will flow in this way in the circuit. Okay, here it is plugged in, so the current is flowing, so you can able to see the bulb is glowing. Okay, so what is the difference between the open circuit and the closed circuit? Open circuit, it is not a closed path. See, if the switch is open, we can represent this switch by like this also, it is open. Okay, either we can show it by like this switch or plug key. Okay, so it is not a closed path, it is open here. Okay, so since it is open here, there is no continuous path, it is not a continuous path also, so there is no continuous path, so the flow of electrons will not moving here. Okay, flow of electron is not there. Okay, it is simply there. Okay, the current means what? It has to flow, the charges has to move, right? So if it is switched off or switched off, there is no current flow. Okay, so it is not a closed path, it is not a continuous path. So in case of closed circuit means it is a closed path, so it is just like a ring, so the electrons will flow from here to here. Okay, it is continuously moving, so your bulb is glowing, it is a continuous path. Okay, so this electric current does not flow in an open circuit because the link is cut here. Okay, the electric current flows in a closed circuit. Okay, a key in an open circuit is shown as bracket. Okay, a key in an open circuit, or key or switch can be shown like this. Okay, in the open circuit it will be shown like this. If it is switch is on, the key in a closed circuit is shown as open bracket and close bracket. Within that you have to put a dot. Okay, this is the switch on. Okay, this is switch off. Okay, so switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. Okay, what is the purpose of connecting a switch? It acts as a link between the cell and the bulb. Once the switch is on, then there is a flow of current. When it is off, there is no flow of current. Okay, so what is electric circuit means? It is a continuous, generally we will say electric circuit means it is a continuous and closed path of electric current is called electric circuit. Okay, next, the electric current always flows in the circuit from a positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell through the bulb and the ammeter. See, if you have seen this one, I have marked this, I will put the arrow mark here, so it is positive. From positive only it will be flowing, electric current will flow like this. Okay, towards the negative terminal. Okay, this is the flow of electric current. Okay, and we have ammeter connected here. Ammeter means what? It is an instrument to measure the amount of current flowing in a circuit. What is it? Ammeter. An ammeter is a device which measures the amount of current flowing in the current circuit. So in the last class we have worked out problems like 5 ampere of current is moving in the circuits, right? So how we know that we have that much current is flowing in that? Using the ammeter will measure the amount of current flowing in that. Okay, amount of current flowing in a circuit. Okay, it is a very low resistance device. It is a very low resistance device. So it allows the current to pass, right? It will not reduce the flow of current. Okay, it is always connected in series in a circuit, because in a series the same current flows through all the devices. Okay, it should not be connected in parallel. Okay, when it is connected in parallel, then some of the current may be divided into the other path, right? So you will ammeter will not give the correct current flowing through this circuit, right? See, this is the ammeter connected in series, where throughout this circuit the current will be same. Okay, so when the current is flowing through the ammeter, it will shows the correct current amount of current present here. Okay, amount of current passing through this circuit. Okay, when it is connected in parallel, for example, when it is connected in parallel means like this. Here I current is flowing means here it will be distributed to all the three things. If a ammeter is connected here means only it will measure the current pass through this path. It will not measure the current through this path or this path. Okay, so it will give a wrong value. So it should be always connected in a series. When it is connected in series, the current will be same throughout the circuit. So it has to be connected in series only, not in parallel. Okay, so the ammeter must be should be connected only in series, not in parallel. Okay, see, if it is connected in parallel, then the current gets divided into different paths, and the ammeter will not measure the actual current flowing through the circuit. Okay, so it is always connected in a circuit, series in a circuit, to measure the to get the correct current flowing through the circuit. Okay, because in series circuit same current flows through the devices. Okay, clear? So this is your circuit diagram, and only few things we have marked in that circuit diagram. So most of the things used in the circuit diagram, the symbols are given here. Okay, the symbols of some commonly used components in circuit diagram. So the cell is represented by this symbol. Okay, this longer one is your positive terminal, and smaller one will give the negative terminal. Okay, a battery or combination of cell, it will be like this. Okay, this is combination of cell. Okay, next, a plug key or switch open. Okay, open means that circuit is open circuit. Okay, there is no flow of current is there, so it will be represented by the bracket. Okay, simply bracket. Plug key, when you put key, remember that if you have put the key here. Okay, that means switch is closed. Switch is closed means what? Then that if the path is closed means you will have a continuous flow of current, right? If it is open means the link is missing here, so the flow of current will not be there, so it should be closed. That is switch closed. Okay, plug key or switch closed is represented by this. Okay, this is closed circuit. Next, a wire joint. A wire is jointed to this circuit means it is represented like this, and wire crossing without joining. This is a circuit, and wire is crossing without joining is represented by this. Okay, it may be the wire may pass above or below the circuit. Okay, next, electric bulb is shown like this, or they can even put the bulb like this with the tungsten. Okay, you can draw like this, or this is a simple form of representing the electric bulb. And a resistor to reduce the current flow. Okay, the resistor is given like this, and variable resistor or rheostat, it is given like this. Okay, ammeter is represented by A. This is positive terminal, this is flow. Okay, next, this is voltmeter. Voltmeter is represented by V. Okay, these are the conventional symbols used in the circuit diagram. So circuit diagram means what? It is a continuous and the closed path of the electric circuit. Okay, electric current. Thank you.